Mutaratara wa ugai wa kigina kia mahuthiro ma Arutwo ufatie gukorwo ari gicunje kia 50 hari igana thiini wa term ya mbere, gicunje kia 30 hari igana term ya keri na gicunje kia 20 hari igana thiini wa term ya gatatu. Ona kuhanoro uguo, thirikari ndikoretwo gikinyaniria ugai wa kigina giki kuringana na mutaratara uyu. Kiama kia arutani a thukuru cia secondary KUPPET gikiuga thirikari iri na thirĩ wa makiria ma ciringi bilioni 64 kuri mathukuru, thirĩ uria ukoretwo gicokaniriria kuma mwaka wa 2018.
To now, last term, the government paid about 8,000 shillings to the learners when they were supposed to pay about 11,000. So up to now, there is a debt of last term amounting to Kenya shillings 2,300. When we go back to the history, from 2018, there is a debt owed to our children of about 64 billion.
Moses Ndurima, uria ni mwandiki munene wa ihinda wa kiama gia KUPPET, atariria ati gucerithirio gwa kigina giki kwaya kuhinga mihang'o ngurani ya mathukuru thiini wa term ya keri ari hamwe na mathako.
What has happened in the zones is that they have produced teams, but now the ministry demands for every item you release one team, and when it comes to the county, they reduce again, which means learners are seriously disadvantaged in terms of how they exploit their talent.
Kuringana na kiama gia KUPPET, gucerithirio kwa mbeca cia mahuthiro ma Arutwo ni umwe wa maundu maria macungiririe arugamiriri a mathukuru gucaria njira ingi cia gukinyaniria mihang'o ya o muthenya. Kiama giki gigititirithia ati arutani makoretwo makirumirira watho uria ufatie mbere ya gwetia aciari mbeca makiria.
This talk about extra levies is becoming a chorus which is portraying our teachers as people who are gluttonous and thieves, which is not true. In fact, when they charge an extra levy, it is because either capitation has delayed or the board of governors and the parents have agreed to take extra development in the school.
Mateta maya mokiteriri thirikari iraniria ati kuri na merio irathie na mbere gatagati ka ministry ya githomo na ministry ya kigina niguo gutigirira mbeca cia mahuthiro ma Arutwo ni ciarekererio na ihenya o ta uria kwahoteka.
The Treasury and the Ministry of Education are in the process of doing exactly that to ensure that we release the capitation in due course. So teachers and those who run schools, please be advised, we shall be making that announcement through the Ministry of Education and National Treasury in due course, and so as soon as possible.
Arutani anene a mathukuru ona kuhanoro uguo ni moritio kurumirira mwerekero uria uheanitwo ni Ministry ya githomo gutigirira matireti ya aciari mbeca mugaru na watho. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.